Will the fierce hunter of the jungle, the hyena, ever be able to win a fight with a honey badger? What will happen when the hyena fights with the giraffe? The animals with the longest neck and longest leg, will the giraffe be able to defeat the hyena with its long legs, or will not make the giraffe eat food? Today we have brought you some hyena fights when the hyena wanted to hunt another animals but ended up in trouble. Friends, today video is going to be very interesting, so if you don't want to miss anything, watch the video till the end without skipping. Hyena versus cheetah. Cheetah is a very fast and fierce animal. That cheetah is out hunting today. The hungry cheetah eyes fall on a gazelle and the cheetah attacks the gazelle, but the gazelle is no less than anyone in terms of running. The gazelle runs very fast and tries to stay away from the cheetah, but after some chasing, the cheetah is able to hunt the gazelle. Even though the cheetah catches the gazelle, his happiness does not last long because a hyena attacks the cheetah in the greed of hunting and seeing the hyena approaching. The cheetah moves away. The hyena smells the prey happily and then rushes toward the cheetah to attack it. Then the gazelle gets up and quickly runs away from there. And finally for today, life is safe. Hyena versus warthog. Here a pack of hyenas surround a wild boar. They are all trying to hunt wild boar together. The hyena also knows that wild boars are very violent animals. That's why hyenas stay away from wild boars even though they are in groups. The hyenas have surrounded the wild boar from all sides, and every now and then the hyenas move forward to attack the wild boar. But the wild boar also retaliated against every attack made on it and drove the hyena group away from it. The wild boar is usually a small animal to hyena, but here its courage make it the largest animal. The hyena surrounded the wild boar from all sides but could not hunt it. In the end, the hyena group had to retreat and the wild boar was able to save its life. This proved yet another thing: you have courage, you can fight against big problem and danger. Hyena versus wild dogs. A pack of wild dogs were enjoying a hunt together, but at that time suddenly a hyena came there and who tries to snatch the prey from this dog. But hyenas are not only fierce but also very clever. But the decision to go alone among the wild dogs here may prove to be a mistake for the hyena. The hyena tries to sneak in among these wild dogs and snatch their prey. But wild dogs are no less ferocious. They are ready to fight animal if it tries to take their prey. Wild dogs also attack hyenas after seeing their prey taken away. Seeing so many dogs attacking at once, the hyena also became worried and started attacking the dog in turn. But neither of these two animals is willing to give up their prey. After a long and fierce fight, the hyena was forced to flee and eventually the prey ended up in the stomach of a wild dog. Hyena versus honey badger. A group of hyena come across a honey badger while searching for food. The pack of hyenas quickly rushed toward the honey badger and surrounded him for all sides. The honey badger is a very small animal but packs a big punch in a small package. This honey badger is not afraid to fight even a lion when he sees danger. Seeing the hyena approaching, the honey badger realized that he is trapped in the middle of a pack of hyena and that he could become their prey at any time. Honey badger become very aggressive to protect themselves. This situation continues for a long time. Sometimes the hyena prowls around its prey and sometimes the honey badger attacks the hyena. Thus the honey badger seized the opportunity and escaped and was able to save his life.